Every rider here learns BLOWBAGETS for the written exam. 10 letters, 10 things to check before you ride. Almost nobody runs it afterwards, because 10 checks all look like the same size of chore. They are not the same size. Some of the 10 only leave you standing at the roadside. Some can put you on the ground. And one is not about the scooter at all. BLOWBAGETS is battery, lights, oil, water, brake, air, gas, engine, tire, and self. That last one is you and whether you are fit to ride at all. 9 of those letters are about the machine, and 1 is about you. In the crash studies, a mechanical fault is the main cause of roughly 1 crash in 300. Rider error, about 1 in 3. That small share is not spread evenly either. When a mechanical fault does cause a crash, it is usually the tires, and usually a puncture going flat under a rider who then loses control of the machine. The checklist already knows this. A is the air in your tires, and T is the tires themselves. So 2 of the 10 letters are pointing at the one part with a crash written into it. Lights are not a breakdown problem. They are a being seen problem. In half of these crashes, the main cause was the other driver, and most of those drivers never saw the bike at all. That leaves battery, oil, water, gas, and engine. Those mostly cost you an evening rather than skin, because a scooter that will not start leaves you at the side of the road, not on it. So if you only ever check 2 things, start with the tires. Look at the tread, run your eyes around the sidewall for anything stuck in it, and put a gauge on the pressure once a week. Then check that you can be seen, because that is the half of the risk you do not control. Headlight on, brake light coming on when you squeeze either lever, indicators flashing rather than sitting lit. The letter almost everyone skips is the last one. If you are tired, angry, or in a hurry, then you are the item on the list that is out of specification, and no tire check fixes that. If that was useful, there's a new explainer every week, pulling apart one everyday thing and the way it fails. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.